Let's unbox the ASUS TUF Gaming version of the RTX 5060 and take a look at its design and features. Let's take a look around the box first. It comes sealed with these transparent stickers on both sides. So let's break that seal and get inside. There we go. Just want to be extra careful to preserve the package the best I can. I don't like destroying the packaging. Oh, look at that. The internal box looks quite good as well. High quality packaging. Wow, okay. That was smooth. Extra padding. It's a Velcro strap. And it appears that there are no accessories apart from this one. I'm not quite sure what this is for, but okay. Let's remove that GPU just to ensure that there's nothing else inside. Oh, there is something. Let's take a look at this. ASUS. Okay. A thank you note. And a quick start guide. In several languages. Very well illustrated. Nice. The anti-static bag is sealed with a piece of tape. Let's get that removed. Look at that. That is pretty big for an RTX 5060 graphics card. A lot of protective film that we could peel. Let's do that. I'll need some help from Mr. Knife over here. There we go. That's the rest of the tape. But we still have some peeling to do on these logos. Take a look at that. A small pull tab over here. Oh. On the fans as well. Nice. And only bracket as well, but I think we should remove these first. Take a look at that. we're getting one HDMI connection and 3 DisplayPort connections. This is the latest DisplayPort 2.1b. Beautiful. Oh, take a look at that. Stainless steel. Shiny. This is a beautiful graphics card. Take a look at this. Oh yes. It feels nice. TUF Gaming logo over here. It's quite thick. Almost 3 slots. This shroud is plastic, but these are metal. These screws over here. They look nice. It's just bringing that industrial aesthetic to the card. But the backplate, this one's metal. Nice. Another TUF Gaming logo over here with the GeForce RTX logo. And take a look at that. There's like a mirror effect on there. Oh, and the card comes with dual BIOS, performance mode and quiet mode. It is set to the performance mode by default out of the box. The GPU is powered via the single 8-pin power connector, and ASUS recommends a 550 watt power supply for this graphics card. Let's measure it. 302 millimeters long, and let's measure the height. That's 134 millimeters. It's not the smallest graphics card, but it's not a huge one either. And judging by the looks of it, this one has a very nice heatsink. I spot 4 big heat pipes over there, piercing through the heatsink over here, as well as through this side over here as well. This is a nice heatsink. Oh, and let's not forget about the cutout over here that allows the air to pass through. That's always good for additional cooling capabilities. Always nice to see. What about the memory modules? Yes, they are indeed actively cooled by that aluminum heat plate over there, and the VRMs are also actively cooled right there. You can see it is connected to the heatsink over there. And there's more active VRM cooling on this side as well. Yeah, this is a high quality premium design. I like it. It looks quite good in this PC, don't you think so? Check it out. Oh, and now I can see that that logo over there, this one here, it has LEDs. So that's your RGB, and that's the only piece of RGB on this graphics card. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the ASUS TUF Gaming version of the RTX 5060? And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to reward my work with a like, subscribe for more if you haven't already, and by the way, I will be testing and reviewing this graphics card in various games at various resolutions, as well as noise test, temperature test, all that good stuff. All that will be done over on my main channel. It will be linked in the description below. Go subscribe to that as well, so that you don't miss all of that content about the RTX 5060. Thank you for watching. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.